Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from application of science and technology in agriculture. First question: who was considered as father of white revolution? Option A, M.S. Swaminathan. Option B, A.M. Chakrabarti. Option C, V. Kurian. Option D, Ian Wilmut. Answer: Option C, V. Kurian. Second question: the Blue Revolution is being implemented to achieve Option A, economic prosperity of textile industry workers. Option B, economic prosperity of construction sector workers. Option C, economic prosperity of agricultural farmers. Option D, economic prosperity of fishermen and fish farmers. Answer: Option D, economic prosperity of fishermen and fish farmers. Third question: which sector has the maximum level of disguised unemployment in India? Option A, agriculture. Option B, industry. Option C, trade. Option D, transport. Answer: Option A, agriculture. Fourth question: the increase in soil seeds production was due to Option A, Brown Revolution. Option B, White Revolution. Option C, Green Revolution. Option D, Yellow Revolution. Answer: Option D, Yellow Revolution. Fifth question: the new agricultural strategy called Green Revolution was initiated in Option A, 1947. Option B, 1951. Option C, 1965. Option D, 1974. Answer: Option C, 1965. Sixth question: during the introduction period of first Green Revolution, India gained the international acclaim by producing the high yield variety of Option A, flowers. Option B, spices. Option C, wheat. Option D, seeds. Answer: Option C, wheat. Seventh question: the Indian Institute of Horticultural Research is located at which among the following places? Option A, Lucknow. Option B, Bhopal. Option C, Jaipur. Option D, Bangalore. Answer: Option D, Bangalore. Eighth question: in which year National Seed Policy was announced? Option A, 2000. Option B, 2001. Option C, 2002. Option C, 2003. Answer: Option B, 2001. Ninth question: blue color tag is issued for Option A, foundation seed. Option B, certified seed. Option C, nucleus seed. Option D, hybrid seed. Answer: Option B, certified seed. 10 question. India occupies first rank in the world in the production of option A groundnuts, option B rice, option C paddy, option D millets. Answer option A groundnuts. 11th question. The important feature of Green Revolution in India has been option A using green manure, option B raising more crops, option C high yielding variety program, option D green crops. Answer option C high yielding variety program. 12th one. The new agricultural strategy called Green Revolution was initiated in option A to bring about a progressive increase in the production of the main crops in selected areas, option B to identify the methods affecting changes in the farmer's attitude, option C to evolve an administrative pattern at the district level, option D to find and show a way of spectacular increase in the productivity of agricultural land by using modern technology. Answer option D to find and show a way of a spectacular increase in the productivity of agricultural land by using modern technology. 13 question. The success of Green Revolution depends on the availability of option A high yielding variety of seeds, option B adequate irrigational facilities, option C chemical fertilizers and pesticides, option D all of these. Answer option D all of these. 14th question. The important feature of Green Revolution in India has been option A Philippines, option B Tokyo, option C Cuba, option D New Jersey. Answer option D New Jersey. 15th question. India occupies second rank in the world in the production of option A peanuts, option B rice, option C paddy, option D millets. Answer option B rice. 16th question. Name the states which produce electricity from sugarcane waste. Option A Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, option B Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, option C Assam and Orissa, option D Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. Answer option B Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. 17th question. Which of the following banks is providing credit to the agricultural sector? Option A cooperative banks, option B commercial banks, option C State Bank of India, option D all the above. Answer option D all the above. 18th question. In Indian agriculture, there is a need for option A rapid mechanization, option B no mechanization, option C selective and restricted mechanization, option D Modernized mechanization. Answer. Option C. Selective and restricted mechanization. 19th question. Which of the following are having direct touch with the farmers? Option A. State cooperative banks. Option B. Central cooperative banks. Option C. The Reserve Bank of India. Option D. Primary agricultural credit societies. Answer. Option D. Primary agricultural credit societies. 20th question. The land development banks provide credit to farmers for option A. Short-term needs. Option B. Medium-term needs. Option C. Long-term needs. Option D. Flood. Answer. Option C. Long-term needs. If you like the video, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel.